So most people do not know this, but the industry of software is a $1 trillion industry, and it's never been easier for entrepreneurs like me and you to go into making money online and getting our piece of the pie of this space. And that is all thanks to something called no-code software. So I'm going to show you exactly what this is and how this works and how you can actually go and scale a profitable online business with this in a short period of time. Now, first off, software is just any application that was created through code. So you can think of some of your favorite software platforms like Shopify, Zoom, Google Docs, even AI softwares like ChatGPT. But now the only two issues for people like me and you is that you would either have to know how to code yourself or pay a software engineer way too much money to actually start your own software. But now that's of course where the no-code software part comes into play. You see, this is where you can actually take pre-built software products and features that are already 100% created and coded for you. But these software products are something called white label. That means they're unbranded and you can upload your very own business name, logo, branding, colors, URL on these softwares and actually resell them as your very own software and keep 100% of the profits. Now, Shopify will obviously not let you do this, but this company called High Level actually will, and this company is worth over $1 billion. This company actually created a library full of pre-built marketing and AI marketing software features, tools, and solutions that you can go and pick out the type of software you actually want to sell and even choose a specific niche that you want to sell your software to. But if you go and click on their white label tab right here, for one, here's proof that this shit makes money, but for two, you can actually change the colors, branding, logo very easily. And now you actually own your very own live and active software that people can log into and access. You could then change the colors, branding, business name, logo, even URL name. And now you actually own your very own live and active software that you can go out and start selling as soon as tomorrow. And High Level actually has some of the same exact software features and tools that multi-million, even billion-dollar software companies sell every single day. They can do things such as help them do social media marketing online. They have AI agents and AI chatbots to replace employees, automatic text message email campaigns and workflows, SEO marketing, AI lead generation. The list just goes on and fucking on if you want to be honest. You just have to go and get yourself a website around what your software actually does, and people will be able to go to this website, log in, get a 14-day free trial, whatever you want to charge, and they'll be able to create an account with your software and log into your application. You can charge thousands of dollars in setup costs, or you can just charge monthly subscriptions numbers like these just for business owners to be able to come in, log in, and have access to your software solution. And just comment the word tech if you want access to the 100% free course and community where I've shown hundreds of guys and girls at this point exactly how to start and execute this ASAP.